Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Laila's cooking. Today I am gonna show you biye shahi polao. To cook shahi polao, take 2 cups of Kalijira rice. I wash the rice very well and let it drip for 30 minutes so that it is neat. Now heat half a cup of oil in a pan and fry it with a cinnamon, bay leaf, 4 cardamoms and half a teaspoon of royal cummin seeds. Then brown with half a cup of onion. And fry with 4 cloves and rice for 30 minutes on medium heat. Now fry with half teaspoon of ginger and half teaspoon garlic paste for 1 more minute. Now add 3.5 cups of boiling water. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Milk, poppy seeds, green chilies and Rasin and cover for 15 minutes. Guys, see the rice did not stick to one another and was properly cooked. Now add ghee, brista, 1 teaspoon Kewra Water and 1 teaspoon rose water and cover for another 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.